OpenAI just broke the internet last week with the announcement of the GPTs and the assistants. And this is going to be super relevant for AI entrepreneurs like me or business owners that want to provide the tools for their employees, because it's going to allow us to have personal assistants trained with our own data and that are going to be able to reply all our queries in real time. And all these GPTs, we can actually share them or find them in the GPT store, so we can have an army of GPTs that are going to help us in every specific area of our business. So as this is a huge opportunity for everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a GPT completely from scratch. The GPT that we're going to create is going to be a GPT persona with all the information from MrBeast videos, so in the future we can actually ask to that GPT to give us video ideas or to improve our existing scripts, which is going to help us to increase our performance in social media, and obviously it's going to increase our reach. And now let's go into the video. And the first thing that we need to do here is to go into our ChatGPT account, and for this we're going to need a premium subscription, by the way. If we don't have the premium subscription, we cannot create or use GPTs. So once we are into the main dashboard, we're going to go here to explore to the top left corner, and we're going to see that we have like different series of GPTs. We have our GPTs, and then we have also GPTs made by OpenAI, okay? So far, the public marketplace from ChatGPT from OpenAI is not available, but I believe it's gonna be available probably in the following days or weeks. And now to start creating a GPT, we just have to click in Create a GPT, and as you are going to see here, there is going to be two dashboards, the one in the left and the one in the right. In the one in the left, basically, we're going to set up all the GPT. And first, we need to answer some questions to the GPT builder and say what our GPT is going to be about, and then other series of questions that are going to help to the GPT to have a background. Then we're going to see more in detail what are all the questions that the GPT builder is going to ask us, okay? And here, as you can see, we also have the configure tab that basically is going to allow us to name the GPT, to add descriptions, to add custom instructions, and then also to add conversation starters in order to be faster with the desired output, okay? And as you can see here, we can also upload files, and basically these files are going to give all the knowledge and all the background needed to the AI to behave just as we want, okay? So in this case, what we're going to do is to upload all the video scripts of MrBeast videos in order that the AI has enough background in order to create more scripts, to adapt our scripts, and basically to give us tips in order to create good quality content, okay? And then on the right dashboard, we're going to have a real-time simulation, so we are going to be able to see what is the output that our GPT is producing with the parameters and the configuration that we have actually given to the GPT. Okay, so now that we have done a quick overview about how the GPT builder actually works, we're going to start setting up the GPT, okay? First, we're going to use the Create tab, that is going to be the quick configuration, and then we're going to do the configuration, that is going to fine-tune a bit better, okay? And then we're going to use the Configure tab, that is going to fine it up completely, okay? Let's go with the first question. What would you like to make? Okay, so I want to create a replica of MrBeast specialized in script writing. And as you can see, this is going to be a bit slower when you try it on your end, but basically I'm going to be cutting all the gaps so we don't have to wait. Okay, so now the behavior has been updated, and as you can see, now we have like some quick questions, and then we are going to have further questions to be replied, okay? So how about naming this GPT script beast? Does that sound good to you? Okay, let's do it. Yes, that's good. And now, as you can see, the GPT builder actually suggested an image, and I don't like this one, but I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna change it in the Configure tab. Okay, as you can see now, the GPT is asking what types of scripts or content areas you'd be most interested in exploring. So basically, we're going to say adventure narratives. And as you can see, every time that we actually give a reply, the behavior of the GPT is getting updated automatically. And now, as you can see, the GPT basically said to us that everything is set up, and we're going to say no. And now we're going to the Configure tab, that is where we're going to change the image, we're going to add the knowledge base, and we are going to fine-tune the behavior of the GPT. Now that we are in the Configure tab, as you can see, like all the name, all the description, all the instructions, and all the conversation starters have been generated automatically by the GPT builder. But the problem with instructions is that they have been generated only by replying 2-3 questions, and obviously this is not going to be super accurate. So I created an extra part for the prompt that I'm going to share with you in the description, and basically in this prompt we're going to be giving more background to the AI. And then also information depending on the case that we are actually asking for, like idea generation or script adaptation. And last, also some strategic advice formulation and also some way of sponsoring the structure. So we're going to copy paste this prompt here and we're going to include it in the knowledge base. Okay, so we just have to do this and this is going to be ready to go. These transitions are going to be ready. And then the last and most important thing is to give background to the AI. So what we're going to do is download the transcription of MrBeast YouTube videos. And we're going to do it this way. Basically, we're going to go to any of the videos of MrBeast and we're going to copy paste the link. And then we just need to go to this website that is called Downsap and we're going to click in download. So the transcription is going to be automatically generated and we're going to click here. And as you can see, it's going to be downloaded automatically. So then we go back to ChatGPT and we're going to upload the knowledge base. So here we have one of these and we just need to do this with each one of the single videos, and I'm going to be doing this in the background because then I want to share the GPT with you and I don't want you to see like the whole process. Well, as you can see, I uploaded 10 scripts already to the knowledge base, but actually there was a problem and I was trying to upload 15 scripts, but if you try to upload more than 10 scripts, it doesn't work and it gives error. So for you to know in the future, don't upload more than 10 because it's going to give error. So once it is finished, we just need to go to the top right corner and then click on update, save, and in this case I'm going to click in public because I'm going to share this GPT with you so you can have it and you can use it to create your YouTube videos. So once this is done, it's going to be ready and we just need to copy the link and then share it with whoever we want. Now we're going to test it, and as you can see here in the top left corner of the ChatGPT main dashboard, we can actually select our GPTs. So I think that I'm going to change the name because this is not really catchy, but whenever we want to start playing with it, we just need to click in one of the quick actions and then automatically, in this case, the script for a new adventure video is going to be generated. Obviously, if we have given to the AI scripts where we are in islands, where we are in doing crazy challenges, the AI is going to give us things that are barely affordable by any normal person that is not MrBeast. So in this case, it's the ultimate island treasure hunt. And as you can see here, we're going to have the intro, we're going to have like all the acts, all the scenes, and basically we're going to have all the information in order to make a super catchy video. But the good thing of this is that if we already have an idea that we want to develop, we can actually give that idea to the artificial intelligence, to the GPT, and the GPT is going to automatically generate the whole acts, the whole scenes, and basically everything that we need to happen in the video. So that's all, guys, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe because in the next videos I'm going to be uploading content about how to create custom GPT assistants embedded into websites. See you in the next one, guys.